Hi and welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to install 123FormBuilder from the Salesforce AppExchange into your org. On the listing page, you'll see two buttons, Get It Now and Try It. Clicking Get It Now installs to production, while Try It Free installs to a sandbox environment. We're going to install in a production environment for this tutorial. Connect your account and click Install to Production. Confirm the installation details, agree to the terms, then click Confirm and Install. Log in again if prompted. Next, choose who gets access. Admins only, all users, or specific profiles. We recommend starting with admins only, but in this case, we'll go with all users. Click Install and let Salesforce do the rest. Once installed, go to the App Launcher, search for 123FormBuilder, and open the app. The first time you launch it, you'll choose your data server region, EU or US. Your trial account will be created automatically with 15 days of full enterprise access. You can upgrade anytime during the trial using the trial indicator. If your trial expires and you didn't upgrade, email us at salesforce@123formbuilder.com. And that's it. You're ready to build forms and push data into Salesforce. Like and subscribe for more Salesforce tutorials.